Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are. Welcome to today's conversation. My name is Monica Kamundi, aka Magical. I change people's lives by offering financial advice and financial solutions. I really want to appreciate those of you that have taken time to listen to the previous conversations, those who have subscribed, and those who are continually looking out for upcoming conversations. Thank you so much. In today's conversation, I want us to have a look at one of the unit trusts or one of the mutual funds that is an hybrid of the previously discussed unit trust. This fund is called the Balanced Fund. I call it an hybrid because it's a mixture of various instruments that are invested in by the equity fund and the money market. So the Balanced Fund is a mutual fund that invests in interest bearing assets and well selected shares or equities, if you call it so. So, this is a fund that um, I look at it as a fund for investors who are a lukewarm kind of an investor. You're not looking at a very low return as is maybe in the money market, but also you're looking at an element of growth on your money from the stocks, and hence this hybrid fund or the balance fund gives you a taste of that. So, as an investor, you're able to grow your money as well as enjoy the security. You're able to do this by capital gain and dividends that are accrued in the equity fund, as well as benefit from the security that is in the money market fund. So it's a very simple fund to understand because having gone through the equity fund and the money market, then you can bring a combination of both and understand exactly what it's all about. So it's a good fund for an investor who is an in between, and hence it's a medium risk, medium return kind of an investment, and it's ideal for investors who have a time horizon of at least over 1 year. If you looked at the previous unit trust funds, the equity fund is more of a long term, which is around 5 years and above. In money market, we are talking of instruments that are below 1 year. So, for the balance fund, then recommend anything above 2 years is able to help your money make a return on investment. So, as is the case of all the other funds, how do you know if you can invest in the bond fund? First of all, understand what is your objective, what is your goal. Are you looking at just capital growth or capital growth and security? So if you're looking at a test of both, then balanced fund becomes a good fund for you. What is your time horizon? How much time do you have to leave that money with the fund manager? The next thing you ask yourself is, what is your risk appetite? If you are risk averse, then you know where to invest. If your risk appetite is high, then you understand that the stock market can be a good place for you. Of course, the other thing you have to ask yourself is, what is your current financial circumstance? Because if the kind of money you have is only enough to take care of your monthly bills, then you might want to rethink investing in the balanced fund. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that gives you a glimpse into what happens when you give your when you give your fund manager money to invest in the balanced fund. Thank you for joining the conversation. I look forward to seeing you in the next. Have a good day. Bye bye.